Letter I. I reads E, E, E. Inchworm reads E, E, E. Letter I reads E, E, E. E, E, inchworm. E, E, iguana. E, E, igloo. E, E, ink. E, E, eel. Inchworm, iguana, igloo, eel, ink. Do you still remember what's this? It's an igloo. Next, what animal is this? It's an iguana. And what's this? It's eel. And we have ink. And the last one is, what's this? It's an inchworm. Very good.